Okay, here we go. We have the end of lesson 13, erosion versus uplift rates. You won't see this, but we'll select my email, and I'll type in my name and my period, and we keep moving on. I don't know why you won't let me.
Yeah.
And now here we are, we have mountain arrow. The directions are use the mountain diagrams provided to show whether each mountain is growing, shrinking, or staying the same. Here's mountain A. We're going to use this diagram right here for our first three questions. So mountain A has an uplift rate of 3 centimeters and an erosion rate of 1 centimeter. Question 1 is asking, according to the uplift and erosion rates, what is happening at mountain A? Is the mountain growing? Green line. Is the mountain shrinking? Pink line. Or is the mountain remaining the same height? Black line. Question number 2 says, how do you know your answer to question number 1 is correct? The uplift rate is higher than the erosion rate. The uplift rate is lower than the erosion rate. Or is the uplift rate and erosion rate are equal to each other? Or lastly, the mountain looks like it wants to do what it wants. Question number 3 says, there are likely to be plate boundaries near Mountain A causing this to occur. Yes or no? And so I'm just going to select some answers here. All right, Mountain B. Let's use the diagram below to answer questions 4 through 6. This uplift rate for Mountain B is 1 centimeter. The erosion rate is 3 centimeters. According to the uplift and erosion rate, what is happening at Mountain B? The mountain is growing, green line. The mountain is shrinking, pink line. Or the mountain is remaining the same, black line. How do you know your answer to number 4 is correct? The uplift rate is higher than the erosion rate. The uplift rate is lower than the erosion rate. The uplift rate and erosion rate are equal to each other. Or lastly, the mountain looks like what it wants, what to do what it wants. 6, are there likely to be plate boundaries causing this to occur at Mountain B? All right, here we go, Mountain C. We're going to use this diagram once again to answer questions 7 through 9. Mountain C, the uplift rate is 1 centimeter, erosion rate is 1 centimeter. Number 7, the uplift rate and erosion rate. According to the uplift rate and erosion rates, what is happening in Mountain C? The mountain is growing, green line. The mountain is shrinking, pink line. Or the mountain is remaining the same, black line. How do you know your answer to question number 7 is correct? The uplift rate is higher than the erosion rate. The uplift rate is lower than the erosion rate. The uplift and erosion rates are equal to each other. Or lastly, the mountain looks like it wants to do what it wants. Number 9, would there likely be more plate boundaries near Mountain C causing this to occur? Yes or no? All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Good luck, good scores on your assessment.